Welcome back. Today we'll be making bread in our bread machine. Let's see what we need first.
So you're first gonna put your container on the scale and then you switch it on so that that's it, so that it's on 0. Okay.
420 grams of flour.
Okay, so I brought a spoon.
Oh,
Just dish out some flour. You can dish a lot more than that. It's going to take a couple of spoons.
okay. Let me.
I'll just show you quickly.
Okay.
Just watch your scale. Okay, no, just watch your scale.
That's 47. Now it's 131.
Yeah.
Now it's 206. Or something.
Don't worry about it.
280. 361. We're getting close to 444.
That's fine.
421. How much do we
Our
need?
aim is 420.
90.
Oh, that's fine. 420.
20. Yes.
So
Now,
what's your next ingredient?
7 grams of yeast.
Okay. Luckily these packets come in 7 grams. So I think we can just tear it. Just give me a minute. Tear is actually higher than. Let me just
Let
get
me
a
try.
knife quickly. What's this? Okay. Right. Empty that out in the flour. Just move it around because we don't want the salt to mix with the yeast. Normally we would mix the yeast in warm water and we'll mix the yeast and the honey together because the salt will affect the raising or the activation of the yeast. Okay, what's next?
5 milliliters of honey.
Okay, so we can just judge this. We can just squeeze in because we like it sweet, don't we?
Yeah.
Squeeze more. Squeeze. Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Squeeze,
enough?
squeeze, more.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Just turn it around and then flip it close. Then, what's your next step?
5 milliliters of olive oil.
So, okay, this is not really necessary, but it gives it a nice
Taste.
taste, yes.
Tell me when.
It's not going to warm. Okay, that's it. What's your next step?
Cup and 1/4 of water.
Okay.
Oh, let's go.
So you got some measurements. 1 cup, that 1 cup. And I need to look for a 1/4 cup. Okay, you can fold that along. Bring it closer to the end.
Okay.
It's easier to pull. That's it. Top it up.
Oh,
More. It doesn't matter if you miss. That's it.
yes.
And 1/4 cup as well.
1/4 cup.
You want me to throw it in quickly?
Yes.
While you pull?
Ooh.
That's fine. Put that in.
Steady.
Maybe we miss. There's the last ingredient. What's the next ingredient?
Half a tablespoon salt.
Okay, so do a tablespoon. Let's do.
Oh,
That's fine.
Oh.
Okay, that's it.
you don't have to throw it into the.
That's fine. I'm not going to throw it back, am I?
No.
Okay. So that's all your ingredients, and it's as easy as that. I'm just going to put it in. Close it up.
Yes.
Or just hang on.
Okay.
You need to switch it on first. Okay, get the.
What?
I'll switch it on. Just get the display there. There we go. Get the display. Okay, I'll switch it on.
As I
Now
start.
we have options, not just
Okay.
we have options. We need to say what size bread we want. So that's medium, large, and extra large. Obviously, we want the extra large. And then we can say what crust we want. Oh, that's the size. Crust. We can say we want it dark or light. I think we want it medium. Right? We've got another option for timer over here, but we're not going to set that option. We used to use that option. You can start it now, Najair. We used to use that option, and this tells us it will take 4 hours.
7 minutes left. I can hardly wait for the bread.
Woohoo! It smells delish. What do you think, Najair? Alright, time's up. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that looks nice.
Right, we gave it a bit of time to cool, but it's still hot. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Wow, crusty.
That was worth it.
There we go.
Oh,
Steam.
wait. On the camera, I can't see the steam. Is that a... Is that all? Ooh.
Yeah, that's all because of the
Oh.
inside, because of the mixer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so light.
Actually. Can I?
Yes, we may.
It actually is light.
Cut you a slice.
It's got
Butter on me or jam?
jam color.
Okay. Would you like the crust?
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's make a nice thick slice. Wow, look at that steam.
That's a lot of steam.
Oh, this butter's melting.
Very fast.
I can't really spread it.
It's fine.
It's nice and crusty. Put in some strawberry jam.
Oh, yes, sir.
Don't shake too much. It's difficult to spread. It's so hot. Maybe we should have let it cool. But we want to eat it hot, isn't it?
Great skills.
Oh, I'm glad you're admiring my skills. Okay. Let me film you taking a bite and you tell me what you think.
Sleepy. Like that's
Just wherever. Listen to that crust.
no,
I'm jealous.
no, bye.
No, I'm alright. I have my own now.
No.